At Teng Tools, efficiency is what we're all about. Our premium hand tools, our storage solutions are designed to help you to create order, help you to save valuable time, also to help you reduce cost and increase safety at the same time. Our concept and our idea is quite simple. It actually starts with a small tool set, and you can continue to add all these sets up to a wide range of different toolkits. Everything fits together, it's all one system. Either you work with the toolkits just by adding them together here, or if you're looking for a smart solution, how to storage your tools, then we start to look into our different storage solutions. All from the smallest service case, if you're out in the field, or if you work in a mechanic workshop and you prefer more of a fixed storage solution system. We have many different modules in our range that you can add on together to what you can see here. Or if you want to have something in between, then we have different sizes and models of our roller cabinets. So it all goes together, from the smallest tool carriaging case up to our biggest racking system. Just use your imagination. Make a visit to your local dealer to check out more about Teng Tools Organized system. You can also check our webpage. My name is Joakim. I'm working at Teng Tools. Thank you very much for watching.